Relating to the Hierophant card of the Major Arcana, the fives of our Minor Arcana represent problems to be solved and questions to be answered. Instability and loss of at least some of what was established up to the fours is seen in the fives. The Five of Wands is about disagreements, conflicts, competition and struggle. It could also signify inner doubt as opposed to external doubt or external struggle. It could also talk about inner struggle and fears. In the Five of Cups, we see loss of pleasure. There is a sense of regret, maybe even feeling hopeless. This could signify the breaking of a relationship. It could show bad luck, sorrow, and feeling deprived of love. In the Five of Swords, we see defeat, treachery, deceit. The person could be acting in their own self-interest. We also see discord and dishonor. Lastly, in our Five of Pentacles, we experience material losses. This is a card of ill health and bad luck. Along with financial losses, here we see hard times. It is like being left out alone in the open. This could also be a card suggesting unemployment or rejection.